Hello you guys, welcome back. My name is Liz. I'm from ebizwithliz.com, which is a website full of FBA resources. These are free resources for you guys specifically. I also have articles about strategies and experiences I've had through FBA. So go check out ebizwithliz.com after this video. Today I just wanted to give you guys kind of an update about the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. So this video is actually going to direct you to another video that has exactly all the information you need to set up your Black Friday or Cyber Monday discounts. It's a manual file that you will need to upload to Amazon Seller Central. It's super easy to do if you follow along through that video. It took me a long time to kind of figure it out. So all you guys need to do is go to the description box below and it will walk you through every step that you need to do to set up your discount for Cyber Monday and Black Friday. So I hope you guys kill it at sales. Make sure you check out the description box below for the link to that video and it will walk you through everything. So I just wanted to put that update out there, and so thank you so much you guys. I will see you guys later. Bye guys.